not the kind that I was expecting to make, but yeah, you know, oh God, no matter how many times, man, no matter how many slight risks we have gotten through since the beginning of the day, since I already got like SVRs and SMWs and all that, but those SVRs were from Melbourne. All of those SVRs I got were from Melbourne, and the SMW is also from Melbourne. Except there's one particular SVR. Gotta get back on IronBot. Just look at this. From IronBot, you don't see that very often. But for what's happened this morning, thanks to Miami waking me up at almost 4:45 in the morning. Yeah, for making me sleep. Because Miami thinks I was a sleepyhead, but yeah, Miami could tell that I was being a sleepyhead. You know, for sure. Trying to make my own intro, but no. I'll tell you what, folks. I tell you what. I already had Slight Sanity 7 happen like a few days ago, and now 8 happened. Like a span of a few days. From May 13th to May 16th. Just like the slight risks. Just like the double slight risk days. Just unbelievable. Absolutely unbelievable. But if y'all are ready for this, are you ready for the Slight Sanity to continue again in like a span of a few days? I thought you guys were ready, cause why don't we sit back and enjoy Slight Sanity 8? What? Observed? Oh, shoot, it was observed.
Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic storm will be near Mercer, Garyville, North.
I did not know I just got a tour C from New Orleans. Jeez. I don't believe that. I don't believe that. First letter today, we already got a tour C.
tornadoes and lives have been significantly damaged. In this week, this year, the tornado. We have perfectly moved to immediately to move on the lowest floor of the building.
You gotta be kidding me. First 2R today, we already got a 2RC. In Louisiana. Great. I think it was a TOR.
The National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a tornado warning for central St. John the Baptist Parish in southeastern Louisiana, northwestern St. Charles Parish in southeastern Louisiana until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:16 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight line wind damage were located over near Chicago, northeast at 30 miles per hour.
Well, that was that. Great. Yeah, Harrison County WX is under this. Oh, now he's got put under a considerable SPR. Yeah, Harrison County WX is under that FFW. Okay, just hit the alert cap.
It's 78, and the relative humidity.
Yep, SMW. Got him. Got him on KEC 38.
A severe thunderstorm was located 15 miles west of Pine Island, or 20 miles northwest of Hudson, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts.
Well, good morning,
Source
TBW.
are indicated. Impact, expects damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hernando, Spring Hill, Newport Richey, Sugarmill Woods, Brooksville, Inverness, Weeki-Wachee, Lecanto, Homosassa Springs, and High Point. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Pasco, Florida.
Are you serious? A doubleheader? No way! There ain't no way I just got my first doubleheader SVR.
Report from 210 miles.
You know what? I'll just get it. I'll just count that. After I caught the end of that SVR. Oh yeah, after I caught the end of that SVR and I just, boom, got my first KC 38 doubleheader for that SVR. Wow. That was a big shocker.
Or greater in small scale. Source, radar. 34 knots. Make sure all on board are wearing lights.
Well, finally got Melbourne. Finally be able to get that Sebastian Inlet marine warning from Melbourne.
around central Collier County in southwestern Florida until 5:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:41 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Plantation Island or over Everglades City, moving northeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour. Hail damage source. Thunderstorm warning for central Collier County in southwestern Florida until 5:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Collier County in southwestern Florida until 5:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:41 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Plantation Island or over Everglades City, moving northeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles in affected forest. Expect wind gusts to Collier County in southwestern Florida. Locations impacted include Everglades City, and Peachtree Plains, Colton, and Big Cypress National Preserve. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Collier, Florida. Indicated. Interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Collier, Florida.
Great. Okay. Okay, just got an SVR for Indian River and St. Lucie. Alright, SVA 25A coming up. Alright, 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! SVA for Indian River, Martin, Okeechobee, and St. Lucie, and coastal waters from Sebastian Inlet to Jupiter Inlet out to 20 nautical miles. Yes. Yes. Oh, yeah. SPA 258. Until 7 o'clock tonight? So, because I believe it's until 8 p.m. or 7 o'clock. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I saw 2300 UTC. It's until 7 p.m. I believe it's going to be in effect until 7 p.m. tonight. Yes. Oh, there we go.
Expect wind damage to the roof. Sighting.
Oh! Oh no, Fort Pierce is in this.
Miles.
Well, another SVR right off the back. This time for St. Lucie. We're only like a few minutes after the watch. Osceola. Kissimmee Prairie Preserve. Okay. I'll just get that anyways. I unfortunately did not get the last SVR, unfortunately. But I did get this one. I did not get the St. Lucie SVR because St. Lucie's SVR is only driven by hail. This time I'm getting the one for Indian River, Okeechobee, and Osceola. Alright. Oh. I got aqua blue. I heard large hail. Yeah. It's aqua blue right now because of large hail. MLB-Y. That was another SPR down the drain. Sebastian went to Jupiter Inlet.
With this storm. Waters.
Why, Melbourne? Why?